You know when you mix a load of colours together, and like mix everything, and it always turns out brown? Yeah, that's probably what's going to end up happening. So, we finished all the prep on the S15 sort of over the last couple of days, and yeah, now we are lending the booth off Mikey again. So we just loaded everything up dead quick because he gave us the go ahead, and yeah, hopefully we'll get the S15 painted over the next 24 hours. I'm going to try not to rush it as much as what I normally do. But yeah, that's the plan now. So go on, lad.
He's on the set, isn't he?
He is. He nearly hit the trailer. He nearly hit the trailer. Wow. I'm impressed. Tomorrow it will be one colour. I still haven't said the colour yet, have I?
No.
It's going to be primer grey by the end of today. Yeah, we're pretty much just rolling out now. We're just about to pull up because it's really close. So it almost takes longer to load the car and all the panels than what it does to drive down here. But we're here already, and the car's going to be painted. Not that it's taken me nearly 2 years. Oh no, it's alright, it can be done in here. Just to... Oh yeah, it, send it in now. It's only primer, innit? Sound. Yeah, the masking's the biggest blag, like. There was a lot more masking on this car than what there was on the other one. I just painted everything on the other car. And then we can just keep making dust out here now, and then can just primer that f***er. So we finished up pretty late last night. It was about 1 o'clock, and we got the whole car primered and prepped, all the panels prepped, primered, everything. Had a load of us here, spent 100 quid on beer, but we had Waller, Ben, Alex, Mike, me, and even Old Spice did an appearance as well. So yeah, we just absolutely smashed the car out, got the main majority of everything done, prepped. So the easy part now is the paint, and that was the biggest ball ache yesterday, but now we're good. So we just got one little bit to do now because I made a mess of it, as per usual. And we're going to do a spare bumper as well, because I'm definitely going to wreck the bumpers, aren't I? And then the car is getting painted today, in a minute.
A few moments later.
We've had a little bit of an issue where we finished all the flattening down and we were just about to start painting, and I sent Old Spice to do one thing for me and he did the thing wrong. So when I've come to mix the paint up, pretty much I've gone to put the thinners in and he's bought panel wipe instead of thinners because it was in the same colour drum. So basically, if you've ever seen it, it just separates and it just makes a mess and clogs everything up. So I wrecked about a litres worth of paint in the process of doing it. So we're just going to try and find it because it's a Saturday and everywhere's shut. So we're just on our way now to Dave Mattel, who's a lifesaver, and he has the liquid gold, which is 2K thinners. So we're just on a drive now to go and pick it up, and then we can actually finish the car. So what was supposed to be quite an easy job today, turns out it's a pain in the ass. So sounds great, that, doesn't it? But yeah, we're just on the way to get it now. Dave's lifesaver. So, and then we'll get back, and then we're going to paint the car. So it's probably going to be about 3 o'clock in the morning by the time we finish again now. Another late finish, great news, but yeah.
The pay rise.
The pay rise. What, do you want another pizza?
You're right.
I'm not buying any more beer, Jesus Christ. So, earlier we were saying that we finished all the flattening down and we did it all sort of last night. Now we've got the car in the booth and the heat on, and the colour we decided to paint is silver. And the reason for this is it's cheap, it's number one. And when we painted the S14, because we did the 14 in the same colour, we actually added some glitter, or lots of glitter, into the lacquer, and it actually came out like, well, I say really nice. It came out sort of nice. So this time we're actually, I think we're going to add a little bit more in just to sort of see what it looks like. So yeah, we're just going to hit the car now with paint, with the silver, and then we'll hit it with the glitter, and then hopefully it'll not look so awful. But yeah, we're nearly there, we're close. Now I'm going to make a mess. Right, okay. So we'll just mix this. Let's get the nice even mix. Ratio is this. Guesstimation. Full guesstimation of mix. Watch. You ready? I'll show you. I'll explain it in video fashion. So that's about full gun's worth. Then we just tip that in the gun and then we spray it. This might have something to do with why I get such a bad finish. We can add a bit of thinners, not solvent like I did earlier. When we didn't have any thinners, I added solvent, panel wipe. I had to check that then. Wasted about 3 litres of paint. Bit more. There you go, that's the ratio there. See, it's perfect. Perfect mixture. To be fair, you can't really mess the colour up. So when you're putting the colour on, the theory is you can't make a mess. It's when it comes to the lacquer. If you mess the paint up before you put the lacquer on, then you shouldn't even be bothering. See, look at the consistency there. That. There you go, see. Does it sound like as if I know what I'm talking about? And then you go like that, watch. Because the base coat actually is self-hardening, which I didn't know because I used to put hardener in it, but you don't need to put hardener in. So just get it on the tin, mix it a bit, make sure it's not completely stuck, and then you're ready to go. So let's go. Right, so we've just finished lacquering all the panels, as you can see. So we chucked in the sparkly stuff into the first coat of lacquer, and then we went lacquer over the top, and then lacquer over the top, and yeah, it's come out all right. I'm actually pretty happy. So all the panels are now done. What we're going to do, we're going to leave them here for overnight, and then we're going to get everything out. But the next time we show you the car, it'll all be built up with all shiny panels on it and look like the car again. So yeah, we're excited to do that, but I've had enough of painting for this year. I'm not painting any more panels now, that's it. I'm done. Yeah, unless I smash a panel or a door or something. And I bet you any money that bonnet is coming up and it's gonna smash my windscreen as well. So yeah, can't wait to see that. But yeah, next time we see this, it'll be a car with shiny panels. Get the fuck out of here.